इस वीडियो में हम क्लास 8 न्यू लॉन्गमिनिस्टास बुक के चैप्टर नंबर 2 लैंड एंड सॉइल रिसोर्सेज के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स को देखेंगे। तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है कि आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस इन 10 to 20 वर्ड्स। फर्स्ट वाला है मेंशन एनी 4 यूजेस ऑफ लैंड। आंसर है द टर्म लैंड यूजेस denotes the different uses that is put to such as cultivation of crops, grazing of animals, mining, constructing roads, houses and other building and setting up of industries. सेकेंड वाला है व्हाट इज़ द परसेंटेज ऑफ द टोटल लैंड एरिया इन इंडिया दैट इज़ कवर्ड बाय फॉरेस्ट एंड पैस्चर्स रिस्पेक्टिवली। तो इसका ये आंसर है कंट्री इंडिया क्रॉपलैंड परसेंट 57, पैस्चर 4, फॉरेस्ट परसेंट 22, अदर यूजेस 17, यूके 29, 46, 10, 15, यूएसए 21, 26, 32, 21, ऑस्ट्रेलिया 6, 56, 32, 21, Brazil 9, 20, 66, 5, China 10, 34, 14, 42, Canada 5, 4, 39, 52. थर्ड वाला है हाउ आर ह्यूमन एक्टिविटीज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर सॉइल इरोजन। इसका आंसर है ह्यूमन फैक्टर्स दैट कंट्रीब्यूटेड टू सॉइल इरोजन आर डिफॉरेस्टेशन, overgrazing, overuse of chemical fertilizers, over irrigation and unscientific farming methods. फोर्थ वाला है what are shelter belts। इसका आंसर है afforestation is the most effective method to conserve soil. Reckless cutting down of trees should be planted. Android areas where wind erosion is common, rows of trees and shrubs should be planted to check the velocity of the wind. These are called shelter belt. फिफ्थ वाला है हाउ कैन क्रॉप रोटेशन हेल्प इन मेंटेनिंग द फर्टिलिटी ऑफ द सॉइल। इसका आंसर है क्रॉप रोटेशन इज अ सिस्टम ऑफ कल्टिवेशन डिफरेंट क्रॉप ऑन द सेम लैंड इन ईच ईयर। डिफरेंट क्रॉप्स नीड डिफरेंट मिनरल्स फ्रॉम द सॉइल। दिस प्रिवेंट्स ऑन टाइप ऑफ न्यूट्रिएंट्स फ्रॉम बीइंग एग्जॉस्टेड फ्रॉम द सॉइल। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 है आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस इन 50 to 70 वर्ड्स। फर्स्ट वाला है विद द हेल्प ऑफ नीटली लेबल्ड डायग्राम डिस्क्राइब अ सॉइल प्रोफाइल। इसका आंसर है टॉप सॉइल, very fine particles of rock such as clay, salt and sand from upper layer of the soil called the topsoil. This layer also contains humus. Roots of plants are confined to this layer. Subsoil. Below the topsoil is the subsoil. Rainwater collects in this layer. It is made up of weathered rocks, silt, clay and some nutrients such as soluble minerals and iron oxide. Substratum. This layer lies in between the subsoil and the parent bedrock. It consists of weathered rocks. Bedrock. The last layer at the bottom of the soil profile is the parent bedrock. It is a solid layer of an unweathered rock. Second वाला है classify soils on the basis of their color and texture. Answer है soils are classified according to their color and texture. On the basis of the color there are black, red, brown and grey soils. On the basis of texture, soils are sandy, clayey and loamy. Sandy soil contain more than 60% of sand, while clay soil contain more than 60% of clay. Loamy soil has a balanced proportion of sand and clay. Together with humus, it is the best soil for the cultivation of crops. Third wala distinguish between sheet erosion and gully erosion. Sheet erosion. During the rainy season, the volume of runoff water is very high. The soil in the hilly region gets eroded in the form of sheet. Afforestation is advisable, common in Himalayan region. Gully erosion. Due to heavy rains and uneven terrain, the water flows through the narrow, deep grooves. With the time, these gullies grow and spread over large area, leading it to headland. It is very common in Chambal Valley of Madhya Pradesh. जी वाला है आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस इन 80 to 100 वर्ड्स। फर्स्ट वाला है एक्सप्लेन गिविंग सूटेबल एग्जांपल्स ह्यूमन एंड इकोनॉमिक फैक्टर्स डिटरमाइन द टाइप ऑफ लैंड यूज। फर्स्ट वाला है आंसर इसका दीज आर ऑल्सो इम्पॉर्टेंट इन डिटरमाइनिंग द टाइप ऑफ लैंड यूज। फॉर एग्जाम्पल इन डेंसली पॉपुलेटेड एरियाज फार्मलैंड्स और फॉरेस्ट, यहाँ पर और आएगा, और फॉरेस्ट मे बी क्लियर्ड फॉर कंस्ट्रक्टिंग बिल्डिंग्स, roads and railways to meet the demands of the people. Second, prairies of the USA and Canada where the development of roads and railways has farms of wheat and corn. Third है The river plains made of alluvial deposits are very fertile and good for cultivation of crops. For example, the Ganga plains in India. Fourth वाला है the mountain slopes covered with dense forest or scenic beauty attract the tourist and helps in earning tourism. Fifth वाला है the plateau region. For example, the Deccan Plateau of India are rich in mineral deposits and helps in industrialization. सेकेंड वाला है गिव एन अकाउंट ऑफ द वेरियस मेथड्स ऑफ सॉइल कंजर्वेशन. इसका आंसर है protection of soil from the harmful effects of erosion is called soil conservation. The methods used for conservation of soil are chosen according to the local environment. These are some of them. Afforestation is the most effective method to conserve soil. Reckless cutting down of trees should be stopped, and more trees and shrubs and grasses should be planted in dry areas where wind erosion is common. Rows of trees and shrubs should be planted to check the velocity of the wind. These are called shelter belts. Overgrazing. It should be controlled and we can grow food for cattle as a crop. It is very effective in the hilly and mountainous regions as the slope of the hills are cut into terrace-like structure and used for agriculture so that the speed of the water soil can be reduced. Contour plowing. Very effective in the hilly areas. In this method, the field is plowed along the contour line and not up and down the slope. Strip cropping. A narrow strip of crop or grass is grown along with cultivated crop which helps in control erosion. Crop rotation. Cultivation of different crop in the same year and on the same field which helps in preserving the nutrient and fertility of the soil. Binding the fields and construction of dams is another step as it prevents flood. तो हमारा वीडियो यहीं पर ख़त्म होता है.